A kitchen sink is necessity so important that we easily forget about styling it. Every kitchen needs at least one sink. It provides a contained space for you to work with water while minimizing the splatter and water mess. From washing food items, utensils and dishes to organizing and holding food to thaw, cool, dry and cook, the sink is indispensable feature of the kitchen. In this video, you will find some incredible kitchen sink design ideas to inspire your next kitchen upgrade, renovation or new home kitchen designs. We will look at some different types of kitchen sinks so that you can choose your kitchen sink according to your need and requirement. Farmhouse sink. A farmhouse style sink, also known as an apron sink, extends over the edge of your counter. This type of sink is most commonly used in traditional or rustic farmhouse style kitchen and can be designed with single bowl or double bowl. These sinks are gaining popularity with resurgence of rustic and farmhouse interior design. They typically come as fire clay or cast iron and are incredibly durable and easy to clean because of their non-porous material. Farmhouse sinks have a double basin perfect for big families, lot of dishes and cleanup. They can be pricey and more difficult to install because you have to cut out a large portion of your counter. Undermount sink. An undermount sink is installed directly under the counter, creating a seamless look from countertop to sink. This type of sink is versatile and work with the kitchen layout. Not only do these sinks look sleek, but they also make for easy cleanup because debris can be pushed straight into the sink without catching on a lip or rim. It's worth considering the weight of the sink that you choose since it is typically installed with glue which attaches to the underside of the counter and the sink. Most fire clay or cast iron sink will not work with the installation method because of their heaviness. Stainless steel sink. Stainless steel sinks are light and easy to install, making them a functional and popular option. Stainless steel sinks are categorized by sheeting thickness or gauge. A thicker gauge means the sink will typically be heavier and cheaper, while a thinner gauge will mean the sink is lighter and often more expensive. Stainless steel sinks tend to be noisier than other sink material and they can dent, but they offer great heat and stain resistance. Bar sink. Bar sinks are installed in a home wet bar and are generally smaller and more shallow than your average kitchen sink, making them a secondary option. They are typically a single bowl design used for preparation work, drink making and convenient cleanup. If you have a large family or group of friends, a bar sink is great for entertaining in your home, bar, patio or terrace. Corner sinks. Corner sinks are double basin sinks installed on a corner of your counter. The two basins are set apart from each other in a catty-corner manner. This is a relatively unique design that can be useful if your kitchen is looking to maximize your counter space. Counter sink can be expensive and difficult to install. Since most counters are seamed at the corner, custom cuts in the counter will add to the total cost of installing this type of sink. Granite composite sink. Granite composite sinks are constructed by gluing crushed granite together with a resin filler. This type of sink is incredibly durable and stain resistant, while also providing a cutting edge and modern aesthetic to any kitchen. Granite composite has an inherent sound absorbing effect due to its density. If you are considering a granite composite sink, they are heavier than stainless steel sink. So you may want to consider adding structural support to accommodate for the extra weight. Cast iron sink. Cast iron sinks are sprayed with a porcelain coating that gives them a glossy white finish, which appeals to many homeowners looking for a sink to complement their vintage farmhouse or country style kitchen. Cast iron sinks tend to be heavier and more durable than other sinks, but the porcelain can chip easily. These sinks are not meant to be cleaned with abrasive cleaners as they will wear down enamel coating. You will also need to use caution when washing dishes since the dishes hardness of the sink can easily chip your dishware. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern kitchen sink designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior design and decoration, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. All the links are there in the description box below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. The next kitchen sink is kitchen island sink. Kitchen islands are becoming increasingly popular, and with that, so are the kitchen island sink. These sinks can be used as primary or preparation sink. Depending on your needs, kitchen island sinks are a great way to complement your workflow and save your space on your main counter. They can also turn your kitchen island into a complete workspace. They look beautiful on a wood, granite, or stainless steel island. So your options are endless in terms of designs. If you are thinking about adding a sink to your kitchen island, be sure to consider the extra cost of installing plumbing to your kitchen island. Kitchen sink with drain board. Kitchen sinks with drain boards are practical and eco-friendly. Typically found in stainless steel, drain boards are built-in sink features that make food preparation simple and mess-free. If you love to cook, this is a great option because it creates a designated food preparation section of your counter. The drain board also provides a spot to dry dishes and other kitchenware by allowing excess water to run off into the sink. This method leaves you with the cleaner counter and saves energy by not using your dishwasher to wash and dry dishes. Fire clay sink. Fire clay sinks are made from clay and glaze fusing together at a very high temperature, upwards of 1600 degree Fahrenheit. Fire clay sinks are almost identical to cast iron sink but tend to be slightly more durable. They won't chip, itch or strain, and you can use abrasive cleaners unlike on a cast iron sink. Fire clay sinks are usually more expensive than cast iron due to their more extensive fabrication process. This material is often used for farmhouse style sinks, making it a great fit for hosting fun events and holidays or entertaining. Single bowl sink. Single bowl sinks are great for more small kitchens with limited counter space. Single bowl sinks make cleaning large cookware much easier because you can lay them flat at the bottom and not have to worry about debris splashing onto your counter. Single bowl sinks aren't great for multitasking like cleaning and cooking at the same time. So they are recommended for smaller households or single individuals. Top mount kitchen sink. A top mount kitchen sink, also known as drop-in sinks, drop into the counter which creates a lip or rim around the sink. This is versatile options because it is easy to install and provide extra support, meaning that you can use almost any material no matter how heavy. One factor to consider is that grime and debris can get caught on the lip and can make the cleaning more difficult. Before you make your final decision on kitchen sink, consider your cooking habits, cleaning needs, counter space, style and budget. These key factors will help you determine what sink best suits you and your lifestyle. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designer. To get latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior designs that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. So friends, hope you like this video on modern kitchen sink designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet soon again in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.